Good morning. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I just got done eating breakfast, finishing these dishes up, and I'm going to head to the yard. So I'm up here in West Virginia. I'm on tie-ins, tying in some 24-inch pipe, 500 wall. I think that tie-in man's plan is to get a couple of extra welders today so we can make several welds. He plans on cutting the road and everything today. We'll see if that happens. You never know. Plans change every minute out here on the pipeline. You don't ever know, but that is his plan, and that'd be awesome if we could get all that done. Get, I don't know how many welds that is, 5 or 6 done today, maybe more. I don't know how many. But anyway, that's his plan. I'm fixing to jump in the truck and head to the yard. Come on, let's head to the right of way. This right here is the road that we're going to be cutting today. Looks like that dozer's up there getting the right of way ready for us. Me and Andy will stock on a section up there as them other welders put this road section in.
Like you were sliding down the hill. Colby, moving up a little bit.
This here is 24-inch 500 wall. That's right at half of an inch thick. Takes us about an hour of weld time, actual weld time. Takes longer than that to actually get it all lined up and fit up and then, preheat it. But actual weld time is 1 hour, give or take. You got a bead, hot pass, hot fill, a filler, usually a stripper, and then 2 bead cap. So 6 passes on average. Do one of these welds here. Got that weld done. Got them 2 other welders. They are down there, down yonder way, putting that road section in. Way down there. Looks like they're making a cut down there. Then they'll make a weld and probably get that road put back. And then this section here goes on the end of what we just welded. Right over here. Right down there. Making progress. Getting this pipe in the ground. Love it. Boy, it is a muddy mess, let me tell you. I mean, I don't think I've ever been in such mud in my life. Man, I don't. I sure don't. I need one though. Boy, there's a case of water right there in the end of that pipe, fellas.
Where?
See it?
Yeah, we need to get that on the sled.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a case in the morning for the sled.
We're gonna get a case of water in the morning. Put on the sled.
I was gonna get it this morning. Never even
Forgot all about it.
bill in the damn truck with me, and everything just goes blank.
What they blame me for now?
Not getting water this morning.
Oh,
And
we got water on our truck.
We got everything we need. Okay.
It's hard to think of water whenever it's cold outside.
Why?
I don't know, for some reason. I don't ever drink water during the winter.
What do you drink?
Soda.
Huh.
I drink, for the last 3-4 days, I'll drink a Dr. Pepper a day, that's it. And I'll drink water sometimes.
You gonna get dehydrated.
I've ate enough mud today, it could turn into water, I don't know.
Mud and slag.
Yeah.
This traco here is fixing up this bell hole. A bell hole is practically just a wider spot in the ditch where you got to make a weld with a ramp on either side of the pipe, so you can get down in the ditch and back out of the ditch. And also just, it's supposed to be safer, you know, the walls are supposed to be laid back and stuff like that. So as you can see, that side boom is holding the pipe over so that traco can fix that bell hole up. I actually have a pipeline lingo video coming up shortly that will have the meaning of a bell hole, along with several other terms that we use out here on the right of way. If it's not in the video, there will be a freebie in the description of the lingo video with several other terms that we use out here on the right of way, so you can get familiar with some of the pipeline lingo that we use on a day-to-day basis. Degree, 4.5, and then a 1 right here on this one.
That's the one right there, right?
Oh, right here on the end of this. See it?
Down there, that's 5.
I think there's a 5, 4, and a 1.
What's up here? Straight pipe?
Yeah.
That'd be about the size, man.
Holy. Getting ahead of them. Head of this side boom. A little bit.
I'll have to put that down and come back and get this one.
Yeah, and finished digging, it looks like. Well, maybe it'll fit, I don't know. That's deceiving. I can't.
Yeah,
Sometimes it's hard to tell.
I see both fields, man. The one gray don't mean much.
Well, it was a good day. We got out of there about 8:30. We made 5 24-inch welds between 4 welders. We finally got this last section of pipe lowered in. Me and Andy put a bead and a hot pass in it. Them other 2 welders were finished with their welds, so they come up and filled and capped this one. We call that a spell off. Whenever you got extra welders there, you spell them other welders off that are still welding. It's part of pipeline etiquette. If you guys haven't seen the video I posted a couple of weeks ago on pipeline etiquette, that's just something we do out here. You know, instead of standing around or waiting until they're done, if you're close or whatever, you just come and pick up their stinger, ask if they want to spell off, let them welders take a break, and finish the weld for them. So that's what they did here. It's just all about part of making the job go smoothly and stuff like that. But good day, real good day. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be looking forward to that pipeline lingo video here in a couple of weeks. Remember, learn something every day. We'll see y'all next Friday.